Good day, my name is Martin Schweiger and I will today show you how you can get rid of your law journal paper subscriptions. I will show you how to switch to reading online IP blogs. And in this session I will show you first how to set up an online aggregator software for reading your subscription. In the next step I will show you how to select the right IP blog for your needs. And then I will show you how to add such an IP blog to your reading feed in your aggregator software. I will also show you how to make sure that you do not read an article twice. And finally, I will show you how to archive an article after you have read it so that you can easily find it again at a later time. Now, you surely have seen the articles on my personal webpage, iplawyertools.com, and I will show you today how you can automate the retrieval of articles from all your favorite web pages and how to consolidate them into one single source. Let's first set up our aggregator software. I have prepared the Feedly web page here. This is the welcome web page of the Feedly aggregator that you see. You click Get Started for free and then you continue with Feedly. Here you enter your name. I have just taken one name, John, and then we enter your email address, john@john.com. You need to assign a password, 8 characters minimum, and you create your account. This is how the program looks like. In this central field here, you need to enter the URL that you want to follow. And now I show you first how to enter my personal webpage, IP Lawyer Tools. You mark the URL in the URL line. You press the copy button here. You proceed to Feedly. You click here and paste the address. If you press return, it will show you there are two feeds here on my webpage. First the article feed and then the comments feed. If you want to click on follow here, a window will go up and it will tell you to follow this source you need to create a new feed. So let's click on the new feed button here. Feed name IP blogs. I've just chosen an arbitrary name. Create. And now you are following. You would get the articles from my webpage here in your reading feed. You can open your reading feed here in the left column of the window and you would see all the articles that are there. For instance, I have here one about healthy feet. What is very good here, the text from my webpage is neat. All the other stylish elements are removed. You have just the text of the web page. I want to archive this article in Evernote. And now you have the choice. Either you get an upgrade to this Feedly aggregator program, then you would get the Evernote button here, but I don't have that. I don't need the upgrade. I visit the website directly by clicking the link below. I'm here on the web page and then I can from the Chrome archive the article here and choose an appropriate category for doing so. Let's archive it here under France IP matters. It's clipping and that's it. So you can now add all the IP blocks that you want to add here. You can do so by entering the URLs from all the IP blocks that you are following. And now I show you a source for the IP blocks that are available. You go to my web page, you go to the search button here, and here in the search you enter online IP blocks. And if you submit the search here, then all the IP block articles on my web page would come up. There would be more in the future, but still there would be some relevant ones. Click on this article and I have a list of online IP blocks here. All the IP blocks that I'm aware of. In other articles I will describe what each IP block is about and for which category of users it is appropriate. So for instance, let's say that you want to add the Klüver patent block, all what you do is you copy the URL here, copy link address, then you proceed to the Feedly software, you paste the address here, press return, and you would see the Klüver patent block is here. Follow, you need to say to which feed you want to add this block, click IP blocks and the add button here, click, and you see here the Klüver patent block has been added. Now the good thing about Feedly is, once you start to add blocks, then the Feedly software would suggest similar blocks to you. And here you see already the EPO news block is here. You can add this one if you want. Then the Directors Forum, USPTO, also interesting. The Delta Patents, EPO case law, very interesting for patent attorneys at the European Patent Office. See, and just by doing so, you have already 20 articles to read. If you read these, and you want to make sure that you do not read these articles twice, then you need to mark them as read. If you just decide based on the heading that you don't want to read it anymore, then you mark it as read here with this little tick, and it would become gray. So let's check and renew this. This article should now, 17th of July, disappear from the list. And it is. We can do the same with this article here, tick, and a few others that we don't want, like all the articles of 12th of July. They're all marked as red. I refresh the list and they're all gone. See? So easy it is to just stay updated with a very nice and easy software, Feedly. If you need more inputs, then just choose from this list what you want. My name is Martin Schweiger, and I have just shown you how you can use online resources to stay updated in the area of IP law. Goodbye.